Hello, today we're going to talk about a chart pattern called the triangle, and we're going to look at it at a monthly perspective. Usually when you look at chart patterns in textbooks or videos, they show you the daily chart pattern. Occasionally you will find it in 60-minute charts, or if day trading you can see it in 5-minute charts. But this time we're going to look at a very big picture. Usually it's a big picture. You use the weekly charts or the monthly charts, and we're going to look at the monthly chart, and I'm going to show you a monthly triangle, okay, and you will see that how powerful it is, especially for investors. So without further ado, let me just go to this chart. This is a monthly chart of a stock called Kellington Group Berhad, and here I've drawn the triangle. Monthly chart means that each bar represents 1 month of trading. You can draw a uptrend line connecting one low and second low. Minimum is 2 lows, and you can draw this uptrend line, and then you can connect the highs, as many highs as possible, 1, 2, 3 roughly, and you draw a downtrend line, and these two lines form what we call a triangle chart pattern. The triangle chart pattern starts up with a very wide and weepy movement, and as time goes by, it contracts. And what it does is like a spring being compacted, and when it's so compacted, eventually the spring will just bounce up like this. And this is what happened to the triangle. As you can see here, when the triangle is formed and near the apex, eventually it will break out higher, just like what you see here. So not only the triangle gives us a tradable pattern, it can actually be a timing tool for us as well, because the nearer that it is to the apex, you can kind of gauge when it's gonna break up. So triangle chart patterns also work in monthly charts, and if you are an investor, you can also employ triangles in monthly chart, right? You can buy the breakout. I put a stop loss here and just write it higher. If you have traded this, you'll be holding like 5 months, okay, by now, 4 to 5 months. And chart patterns can be used for investors as well. Now, there are a few things that add to the power of the monthly triangle. For example, you can see that there is a huge volume here as the stock makes a very bullish candle, okay, and throughout the whole year, or up to here, right, many months, the volume decline, okay, and you can see this moving averages decline as well. When the pattern is forming and the volume declines, it shows to us that in the daily chart, right, and usually in the daily chart it shows that not many people are selling, buyers are still holding on. But the principle applies also to the monthly chart as well. So that is one clue for you that the pattern is very good. Secondly, if you notice that when the stock breaks out, it was above the kind of the rising monthly 20 MA and also the rising 50 MA. So what this tells us that it is in a very conducive mode to go higher, okay, as compared to if the triangle happened below the 50 MA or 20 MA. That's a clues that the breakout will be successful. Now, how do you get a target? First of all, you can take the height of the triangle at its widest, which is this purple line here, and project it from the breakout to get initial target, which is around here, and it has been met. But if the stock had a previous nice run up to the height, the height of the triangle, you can actually take this whole move up here. It's called a measured move, and you project this thing from the lowest point of the pattern upwards, and we get a higher target around here, maybe around 270. Okay, so this will be an initial target, second target, and usually sometimes the stock can go way higher, right, if it's in a daily uptrend and it's a new highs as well. So here is a lesson that tells us that don't neglect chart patterns. Let me just get myself. So I hope you have learned something in this video. Here is a lesson for us that we do not only want to look at chart patterns in the daily chart, okay, or weekly chart. Sometimes you can use it in the monthly chart as well, and it's more for investors. So don't neglect the power of charts in monthly charts, in long-term charts. So I hope you have learned something in this short video. If you have learned something, do give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this, and I'll see you in the next one.